Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we're going to tell you how to find the best items on Yupoo. Looking for high quality replicas, sneakers, designer fashion, or streetwear at unbeatable prices? In this quick video, I will show you step by step how to use Yupoo to find the best items, avoid scams, and get in touch with trusted sellers. Let's jump in. First, what is Yupoo? Yupoo is not a typical shopping site. It's actually a photo album platform mostly used by Chinese sellers to showcase product photos like sneakers, bags, clothes, watches, and more. Think of it like Instagram albums for shopping, but you cannot buy directly on Yupoo. That's the trick. How to find sellers. To find Yupoo sellers, just search on Google or Reddit with keywords like Yupoo sneakers, Yupoo reps, or best Yupoo sellers 2025. Reddit forums like r/fashion reps and r/rep sneakers are gold mines for trusted seller lists. Once you find a seller's name, they will usually have a link to their Yupoo album. How to navigate Yupoo. When you open a Yupoo album, you will see pages filled with photos. Here's what to look for: clear detailed shots, front, back labels, album titles with item names or codes, quality indicators like logos, stitching, and packaging. A small tip: some sellers organize by item type, others just dump everything in one big folder. How to contact the seller. Since you cannot buy directly on Yupoo, you need to message the seller. Most sellers list their WeChat or WhatsApp on their album or Reddit post. Send them a screenshot or album link of the item you want. Be polite and ask for price, sizes, shipping options, quality check pics before shipping. Tips to avoid scams. Here are 3 quick safety tips. Number 1, use trusted seller lists from Reddit or Discord groups. Number 2, always ask for quality check pics before paying. Number 3, use secure payment methods like PayPal goods and services, or understand the risks of Western Union or crypto. And that is how you use Yupoo like a pro. If this helped you out, give it a like, drop your questions below, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart shopping tips.